So I have actually made a start in this here. Fitting before mount intercooler. You have to take the bump strips off to get the bumper off, so pop these all off. And then there's 2 nuts on each side. I actually have them removed. Simple as that. So I have the intercooler mounted here. It is coming off 2 bits of flat, bolt onto this bad boy here. The hot side from the turbo is going to come round here, up and up there onto 90. That'll come onto this here. So on this side we're going to come round here and then up, and you'll see there's an 80 degree up there. I tried TIG welding this here up, but I don't know, there's something weird going on with my TIG. It's not, it just looks garbage. So don't have a lot of time today, so I'm just going to make it up. And now I have this all welded up, I'm just going to clean it up with a flat wheel, and then I'll just paint it all black. Okay, so I've rigged up a wee pressure tester here just to see if there's any leaks in these welds. I've got some soapy water, a pressure regulator, and so I'm just going to run a wee bead on the ends so the hoses don't blow off, and then give them a quick sand. I'll just paint them black, and then they're ready to go in the car. That's all the paintwork in. All welded up, painted black, you can see up there. Hot side comes out of the turbo, down onto the slam panel, and on the intercooler. Then cold side does the same thing, down under, and then I'm using the original 80 degree and just rotate it so it's pointing down. I'm going to put a wee boost cage on here as well. I'm going to cut the bumper here and try and get a bit more of the intercooler on show.